Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you about an idea that I've had to help smaller, newer YouTube channels grow. Now I've currently been helping the Stack Collector grow his channel by shouting him out in my videos, shouting him out in community posts. Now the Stack Collector is actually a paid member of my channel. Now he has always supported my channel from the start, and he didn't have to join my paid membership scheme on my channel, but he chose to do that to support me. He also chose to buy some of my merch from my shop, and he's always involved in my comments and sharing my videos and liking my videos and all the rest of it. Now, obviously I didn't ask for any of that, and a lot of you that are watching this video might not even know that I've got a paid membership kind of thing available on this channel. And a few of you will probably know that I've done a shop with some merch, because I've promoted that a couple of times, but it's not something I mention in all my videos because, like I've said from the start of this channel was made to document my stacking journey. It was made for me to almost look back like a diary and watch my progress in my stack growing and my knowledge growing, and just to kind of share the things I've learned along the way. So this channel was never meant to be a kind of money-making scheme, and that's not what I want it to turn into. I've had a number of companies reach out to me via email asking if I'll promote their latest NFT or the latest crypto or their latest stock or their website and all the rest of it, and I've turned a lot of offers down. It was only yesterday I got a company contact me asking me to post a 20-second intro at the front of one of my videos, and they'll pay me $1,800 to do that. Now, I asked them for more information so I could have a look to see what it was all about, and it's basically an NFT project. Now, I'm not going to disclose the name of this project because it's quite a large NFT project, so a lot of you probably would have heard of it if you're involved in the NFT space, but I turned the offer down because this channel, I don't want to be a sellout. I only want to promote companies and products if I truly think it will benefit my viewers. So I'm not going to start promoting NFTs and things like that, because NFTs is completely the opposite end of the spectrum when it comes to precious metals. People that invest in precious metals like hard assets, NFTs are very, very virtual, very, very speculative. You can lose a lot of money. So I don't want to just take on all these sponsorship things that I get, and I'll only ever take a sponsorship on if like I said, I think it would actually benefit my viewers. So the point of this kind of discussion is to let you know that this channel was never a money-making scheme. It's not something that I started to replace my income or anything like that. It's purely a hobby. It's to share my knowledge, and I enjoy doing it. Sometimes I feel like it is a bit of a second job because I'm so passionate about it, and I try and upload minimum one video every single day. Sometimes I've done 2-3 videos a day, sometimes 4 or 5 videos a day. And I haven't really got a schedule. If I record 3 videos back to back, I'll literally upload them the same day. I'm not going to hold one back for Wednesday and one for Friday, because I just want to get content out there. I enjoy putting content out there. I enjoy interacting with people. So how this relates to the topic of today's video is going back to the Stack Collector. He has supported this channel by, like I said, joining my membership, buying the merch, and just interacting in general. And I didn't ask for any of that. He's just shown his support. So my way of giving back to the Stack Collector is by promoting his channel. I really, really want to get him to 200 subscribers. He's only just hit 186 subscribers, I think. So we've got a few more to go, but I think we can definitely do it by the end of this week. And I'm going to continue to promote him until we get to 200 subscribers. And I've decided I want to go a bit further than that. I've decided that I'm going to continue promoting his channel and mention it in the community posts and giving him shout outs in my video until we get him to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time minutes. Now, the watch time minutes is kind of over to him because he has got to produce the good content that you people want to watch. I can promote a channel as much as possible, and if people don't enjoy the videos, or the videos aren't very good quality, or they're not very interesting, then you're never going to get anywhere with the watch time. I can help with subscriber count by sending people over, but you need to have good content in order to keep hold of subscribers and engage people in your content. So that side of things is completely over to the Stack Collector, and I think he's been doing a very, very good job of it so far. His channel looks very, very professional. He's always got something new to show and talk about. And anyone that I've recommended they check out his channel, they've always ended up saying how good his channel is, and they can't believe they haven't discovered it up till now. So that side of things, he's going to obviously be able to have control of the actual watch time minutes. But in terms of promoting his channel and getting him up to 1,000 subscribers, I want to keep pushing people over to his channel, because I've decided that I would like to get him to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 minutes watch time so that he can get monetized. And then I feel like after we've done that, if the Stack Collector wants to join me on this kind of challenge and this journey of promoting the smaller stacking channels, then once he is monetized, we focus on another channel. Now, future investments, I know that you've recently been monetized, the same as myself, so you know the feeling of being monetized. And if you want to join helping other channels get monetized, then feel free to let me know in the comment section. Let me just start getting a bit of silver out for you to see, because otherwise the video is going to be very boring if there's nothing for you to watch in terms of eye candy. But yeah, if you're up for it as well, future investments, we can continue to promote the Stack Collector, which I know you've been doing as well already. And then I feel once we get him monetized, then we work on the next channel. So we keep going with that channel until they get monetized, and then we go to the next channel, and then the person that we've helped get monetized joins us, and we just keep going. So we keep finding these smaller stacking channels, the channels that are the hidden gems, if you like, the channels that are putting so much effort into their videos, but they haven't quite got something quite right. So they're not kind of getting onto the algorithm. They haven't got their tags right, or the descriptions right, or the titles right, or they're missing the thumbnails. And we take them on board and we help them and we mentor them. Obviously no cost, this is all kind of free for the community. And then we build their channel up until they hit monetization. They get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time minutes. And then they join our team, and then we work on the next channel. Now, this is just kind of an off the cuff video, because it's something I thought about when I was just speaking to the Stack Collector a minute ago. I said to him, he basically thanked me for promoting his channel and helping him gain subscribers. And I said to him, I'm going to continue to do that until you get monetized and you get 1,000 subscribers. And then I suddenly thought, why don't we do that and then we move on to the next channel, like I just said. So yeah, let me know what you think about this, the Stack Collector and future investments. And I kind of want to reach out to the smaller channels. Now, if you've got a channel that you've been working hard on, and there's a lot of channels out there that I watch, and you know who you are, I'm not going to shout you out in this video, but you know who you are, the smaller channels, the channels that are kind of unnoticed, but you're putting in all the hard work and you're not getting the views and you're not really getting the subscribers, drop me an email or drop me a message in the comments section of this video. And between myself and future investments and the Stack Collector, we'll decide between us if obviously those two are on board. So I haven't even spoken to them about this. I'm just making an off the cuff video. So obviously if they're up for it, then between us three, we'll decide who the next person is going to be. So like I said, we'll get the Stack Collector monetized first, and then we'll turn our focus to another channel and we'll help promote them. We'll help them with thumbnails. We'll help them with descriptions. We'll help them with titles and all the rest of it. And then us three together will push that channel to get monetized. And then we'll move to the next channel as a 4 and a 5 and a 6, and we'll kind of build up this community where we're all bringing each other up with us, because that's what I love about the stacking community. Everyone tries to bring everyone up together. Now, there's no other community like it on YouTube. I'm not just saying that because I'm part of the stacking community. I'm saying it because I've had 3 or 4 YouTube channels in the past, and they've never ever done as well as this channel because the community is so strong. Now, I could literally upload a video at this point with no title, no thumbnail, no description, and I'll still have loyal subscribers comment on it, watch it, and appreciate it. And that is an amazing thing of build a strong community that enjoys your content, and you don't have to do these clickbait titles, clickbait thumbnails, fire in the thumbnails, run to silver now because it's running out, or run to silver now because it's going to go to £100 an ounce next week, or whatever it may be. We've just built up a huge community by posting informative videos and having fun with it. So yeah, I'm going to kind of stop the video there because I don't want it to be too long. But if you understand what I'm trying to achieve here, I'm just trying to grab these smaller stacking channels that are spending so much effort and time and production in their videos, but they're just not getting noticed. And I think if, instead of me focusing, which I have done up till now, on lots of different smaller channels, if I just focus all my effort onto one channel, get them monetized first, and then we move to the next channel and we get them monetized, and then we move to the next channel and get them monetized. So anybody that's watching this video today, subscribers or new viewers, let me know any channels that you currently watch, stacking channels that have under 500 subscribers, and they're putting out really good content, really good information, and they're spending a lot of effort on their videos, but they're just not getting noticed. Leave their channel name in the comments below. If you're one of those channels yourself, either leave me a comment or drop me an email. My email will be in this description of this video. And like I said, once we've got the Stack Collector monetized, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time, then we'll pick someone to work on it as a team. We'll get them over the line as well, and then we'll keep doing that, and we'll build up a bigger community of stacking channels, because like I said, there's so many channels out there that are doing such great content, but they're just not getting something quite right, whether it be the title, the thumbnail, the tags, the community engagement, whatever it may be. And I've had a number of people reach out to me via email saying they've seen my channel grow, what tips can I give them? And I've been replying individually to people, telling them different kind of action points, things to do to help them grow. But I thought this video would be kind of a good way to discover some of these smaller channels and bring everyone up to the same level together. So let me know what you think about this video. Like I said, it's a completely off the cuff video. It's something I just thought about, and I thought it'd be quite fun to do, to support these smaller channels that are going unnoticed, bring everyone up to the same kind of level. Once they're monetized, move on to the next channel. So let me know what you think about that in the comment section. Let me know any channels that you watch that have got under 500 subscribers. Like I said, if you're one of those channels yourself, let me know. There's a lot of you that I already watched that I know about, and once the Stack Collector is monetized, we'll move over to your channel and we'll help promote you and we'll get you to the same level. So let me know what you think about that. As always, thanks very much for all the support. Thank you to everyone that's got me to the position I'm in, where I'm able to help other channels grow and help give you kind of advice and tips of what I've learned. And like I said, future investments and the Stack Collector, let me know if you're up for this, and together we'll build up the community so it's even stronger. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.